Hello, we're doing checkpoint 1.8, and here we're asked to find the arc length of the curve defined by the equations x is equal to 3t squared, y is equal to 2t cubed from 1 to 3. Let's start off with the arc length formula, and that's given by, let's call it s is equal to the integral from some starting and ending point, all under a square root of x of t squared plus y, oops, that's x prime of t, y prime of t squared dt. And this is obtained by looking at, having a curve, splitting it up into little pieces and finding the distances of each of those little pieces and adding them up, and we have the integral. So now let's find the derivative of each of those functions. Let's start with x. X is 3t squared, so the derivative is 6t, and y is 2t cubed, so the derivative is 6t squared. All right, let's put it into the formula. We have s is equal to the integral from 1 to 3, the square root of 6t, and we'll quantity square that, plus the square root of 6t squared dt. So this is your integral, and if that's all they ask for, the setting up I think is the hardest part. So now let's see if we can just get our integral juices flowing and get this done. I think there's a 6 squared that we can factor out, and so a 6 will come out. That's a constant 6 because there's 6 squared, and there's a t squared and t to the 4th, so a t squared. Square root of t squared, by the way, is the absolute value of t. But we're going from 1 to 3, so the absolute value of t, we can just drop the absolute value. We'll do that in the next step. What do we have left? We took the 6t squared out, and so that's a 1, and we took 6t squared out, and this had t to the 4th, so we have a t squared here. So given that this is just t, we could do a u substitution here. So let's do u substitution on the side. U is equal to 1 plus t squared. Du is equal to 2t dt. And the t dt will go away. And there's a 2 here that'll take half of 6. So we'll have a 3, integral from 1 to 3 of, everything got cleared out. This is just u to the 1/2 du. Oh, I suppose we should take the time to change our limits as well. If we put 3 in for this substitution, we have 1 plus 9, that's 10. And if we put 1 in, we're going to get 2. So let's change the limits of integration from 1 to 3, and with the u limits we're going to go from 2 to 10. All right, so we have a 3, and then we have 1/2, so that's going to be 3/2, so that's 2/3 in the numerator, and u to the 3/2 power. I'm going to evaluate from 2 to 10. The 3's would cancel. We're just going to have a 2, and then we're going to put 10 in, and we're going to put 2 in. And I think that's all we can do. I don't think we can yeah, I don't think we can simplify this anymore, so I think we'll go with that. Okay, I hope that helps.